Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just reviewing a truck, we're stepping into a time machine with wheels. This is the 2025 Ford F1's bold resurrection of the very first Ford pickup truck from 1948, now reborn with cutting-edge technology and muscle. The F1 is more than a nod to history, it's a statement of identity, one that blends American heritage with modern performance and luxury. Whether you're a lifelong truck enthusiast or someone new to the Ford legacy, what you're about to see might just redefine your expectations, right from the moment you lay eyes on it. The 2025 Ford F1 grabs your attention with commanding road presence. The front fascia is where the magic begins, a massive retro-style chrome grille that mimics the original horizontal bar layout, flanked by round LED headlamps that maintain that classic face, but with a high-tech twist. These aren't your grandfather's headlights, they're matrix LEDs with adaptive beam patterns for nighttime clarity. The hood features prominent center ridging, paying homage to the 50s workhorse. And the front bumper is rugged, with tow hooks hidden behind removable caps and an optional front-facing trail camera. Walking to the side, you'll notice the F1 rides on a strengthened high-strength steel frame that's been fine-tuned for comfort and capability. The wheel arches are squared off, a callback to its roots, but now housing massive wheels, 20-inch brushed aluminum as standard, with optional 22-inch polished alloys. The side mirrors come with puddle lamps, blind spot indicators, and integrated turn signals. Running boards deploy automatically when you unlock the truck, and a ghost F1 graphic appears on the ground at night. The truck bed is offered in two lengths, 5.5 and 6.5 feet, and includes Ford's Pro Power onboard system with built-in outlets for tools, tailgates, or mobile camping setups. At the back, Ford's design team didn't cut corners either. The tailgate has a mechanical meets modern vibe, finished in either body color or brushed steel, depending on your trim. The embossed F1 logo is a beautifully nostalgic touch, and the LED taillights incorporate a wraparound design for extra visibility. Ford's new multi-position tailgate adds extra utility fold-out steps, integrated rulers, and even a tablet holder for those who use the truck as a mobile workstation. It's tough, it's versatile, and it's smart. Now let's climb inside, and this is where things get really special. The interior of the 2025 Ford F1 is a masterclass in how to do retro modern right. You get two cabin themes, Classic Heritage and Modern Industrial. The Classic Heritage trim features saddle brown leather seats with ivory stitching, a wood dash, and metallic toggle switches inspired by aircraft controls. Meanwhile, the Modern Industrial trim goes sleek with matte aluminum accents, perforated leather, and ambient lighting with customizable zones. The centerpiece of the cabin is Ford's 13.2-inch infotainment screen that floats atop the dashboard. Like a tablet, it runs on the SYNC5 operating system, lightning, fast, intuitive, and with voice assistant capability that actually understands you. Below the screen are physical knobs for volume and climate, which truck fans will appreciate. For usability, the 12.3-inch digital cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable. You can choose classic dials or modern digital readouts, including trailer towing info, navigation, and off-road telemetry. What's impressive is the little touches: heated and cooled seats, an available panoramic roof, and offer under-seat lockable storage. There's even an optional fold-out desk on the passenger side, perfect for contractors or mobile workers. Let's talk about performance. The base engine is no slouch, 3.5L EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 with 400 horsepower and 500 pounds-ft of torque. But the real headline here is Ford's new 5.0 liters V8 hybrid, pumping out 480 horsepower and 610 pounds-ft of torque, mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain offers brisk acceleration, smooth shifting, and impressive towing capability. Ford says the hybrid version can tow up to 11,000 pounds and has a payload capacity of just over 2,000 pounds. It also includes regenerative braking, an electric torque boost system, and improved fuel economy up to 26 mpg combined, which is outstanding. For a full-size truck, the drive experience is remarkably refined. Whether you're on pavement or off-road trails, The adaptive suspension system adjusts in reality. The steering is well-weighted and responsive, with selectable drive modes including normal, tow haul, slippery, and off-road. Ford's trail control and crawl assist make rough terrain feel almost effortless. It even includes a Blue Cruise system for hands-free driving on select highways. Now, let's break down the pricing. The entry-level Classic Base starts at $51,000, giving you the essentials with some vintage charm. Step up to the midline, looks trim at $59,000, and you get added tech, better materials, and more customization. The top-tier Heritage Platinum Edition pushes close to $72,000, but includes everything from the V8 hybrid, panoramic roof, high-end interior trims, and off-road goodies. And of course, all models come with Ford's 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, *. If you're in the market for a truck that doesn't just get the job done, but tells a story while doing it, the 2025 Ford F1 is for you. It's not just a tribute, it's a revival done right. For collectors, it's an instant classic. For daily drivers, it's a blend of power and purpose. And for everyone else, it's proof that the past and the future can exist in the same lane. *. So there you have it, folks. Every angle, every inch, every feature of the 2025 Ford F1. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built for more than just nostalgia. It's built to perform. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you take the hybrid V8 or stick to the twin-turbo? Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more in-depth car reviews like this. Thanks for riding with us, and until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and never stop exploring. *.